Hello everyone, it's me again, Mommy Mitch. And hello Australia and hello Philippines. And today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili kong winter clothes dito sa Australia. And the last video I made, pinakita ko sa inyo kung saan ako bumili dun sa community shop. And I want to show you kung ano yung nabili ko and kung magkano ang nagastos ko. Stay with me. Okay, first, nabili ko to siya sa Venice shop. One of the community shop here in Australia. And this one. It's a top. And yeah, still good. And it's beautiful. I like the color. And also, this one is a coat. And I love this coat. If you can see it. Nabili ko to sa Venice shop. One of the big company shop here, like a community shop. Yeah. It's really beautiful and the quality is really good. And meron pa nga to price. This is the price. This is $25 for a coat. And a dress. I know I mentioned that I bought it for winter clothes, but this dress I love it kasi I'm 7 months pregnant and it's good. I just gonna partner that with my coat. And this one for kids and skirt. This is from the Venice shop. And this one for my oldest daughter, for my first daughter. This one is all from the Venice shop. And this one, the skirt. This one is only 3 for $10. All skirt. It's on sale. And this one, it's really good quality and it's really nice. And this one,